5 things you should never do every single morning. Here is the answer. Hey everyone, my name is Khalid. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The way you start your morning, dedicate the rest of your day. You need to make sure don't start your day unless you are fully confident and fully motivated. Because if you are not, to become too lazy, too tired, unmotivated, and zero confidence. Today I'm gonna show you 5 things why we should never do every single morning that you win during the day. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into it. Number 1, checking the phone in bed. If you asked me what you should not do first thing in the morning, I would say using smartphone. If you start your day by checking the phone, start your day by comparing yourself with other people's life. We also spend our time by checking YouTube channel, Facebook, chatting, emailing, reading the news. Such activity can be avoided by not checking the phone first in the morning. Number 2, skipping breakfast. Breakfast is important meal of the day. Breakfast is healthy than even more important than other meals. It helps us to lose the weight. It helps us to decrease stress. Skipping breakfast, it can raise the risk of the fatness. Skipping breakfast it's going to harm your health and make you fat. So get your breakfast that you don't feel sad and stressful. Number 3, light switched off. You should know that the first time when you wake up, the light switched off and dark environment makes our body release a hormone which tells our body it is time to sleep. It is time to make lazy and more laziness. So for the first time when you wake up, what you should do, you should switch it on the light. That will make you energized and make you feel your day better. Number 4, start argument. What a waste of the day if it starts with the debate or argument at the early of the morning. It's make you lazy and make you more tired. Even it's more make you unconfident and do nothing for the rest of the day. So when you wake up, don't debate or arguments. Start your day by smiling in happiness. Finally, number 5, making plan in the morning. This is the most beneficial and fully motivated at the early of the morning. Many of the people they are trying to write for the rest of the day. They are plan at the early of the morning. That's incorrect. The best thing to write your plan for the next day is before you go to the bed, because you are not skipping every single thing. But if you are writing the morning early of the morning, you don't know what you want. So before you go to the bed, try to write your plan, what you want to do for the next day of your life. That's basically for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. 5 things why we should never do every single morning. That's for me today. See you next time.